Hi everyone, welcome back to Dividend Drift, where we help you level up your income streams. Today I'm sharing 5 actionable side hustles you can start in 2025 to earn $8,000 a week. Yes, you heard that right, $8,000. Stay tuned because I'll break down exactly how much each hustle can make and the steps you need to get started. Let's dive right in. Scene 2, side hustle number 1, freelance AI content creation. First up, freelance AI content creation. Companies are looking for writers who can create high-quality, AI-assisted content for blogs, marketing materials, and more. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Sign up on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or specialized writing sites. Step 2. Learn tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI to enhance your productivity. Step 3. Offer bundled services like content writing and SEO optimization. Potential earnings. With rates of $150 per 1,000-word article, completing 5 articles a day equals $750. That's $3,750 per week if you work 5 days. Scene 3, side hustle number 2, reselling high-demand products. Next we have reselling high-demand products. Use platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy to flip trending items. Step 1, identify trending products using tools like Google Trends and TikTok Trends. Step 2, purchase items in bulk from wholesalers or thrift shops. Step 3, resell with a 50 to 100% markup. Potential earnings. If you flip 50 items a week with an average profit of $50 each, that's $2,500 per week. Scene 4, side hustle number 3, virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is booming as small business owners and solopreneurs look for help managing their tasks. You can offer services like email management, scheduling, and social media. Step 1. Sign up on platforms like Belay or TaskRabbit. Step 2. Create a professional portfolio and showcase your skills. Step 3. Start with a few clients and scale up as you gain experience. Potential earnings. With an average rate of $25 per hour, working 40 hours a week earns you $1,000. Side hustle number 4, online tutoring and emerging skills. People are eager to learn skills like coding, digital marketing, or AI basics. If you're knowledgeable in any of these areas, you can earn big as an online tutor. Step 1. Choose a platform like Wizant, Skillshare, or even YouTube to offer lessons. Step 2. Create engaging and high-quality lesson plans. Step 3. Use social media ads to attract students. Potential earnings. Teaching just 10 students weekly at $50 per session brings in $500 a week. Side hustle number 5, rental arbitrage. Finally, we have rental arbitrage. This involves renting properties and subletting them on Airbnb or VRBO for a profit. Step 1. Find rental-friendly properties in high-demand locations. Step 2. Negotiate with landlords for subletting permissions. Step 3. Furnish the space cost-effectively and list it on short-term rental sites. Potential earnings. With just 2 properties generating $500 weekly each, you're earning $1,000 per week. And there you have it. With freelance AI content creation, reselling products, virtual assistants, online tutoring, and rental arbitrage, you can build an $8,000 per week income in 2025. The key is consistency and smart time management. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which hustle you're most excited to try. See you next time, and remember, your hustle defines your future. Breakdown of weekly earnings. 1. Freelance AI content creation, $3,750. 2. Reselling products, $2,500. 3. Virtual assistants, $1,000. 4. Online tutoring, $500. 5. Rental arbitrage, $1,000. Total $8,750 per week, scalable depending on effort and efficiency.